Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
How we have created the user in the system. Is this one way to hire? I mean upload that. This is the way where, if Employee Central is not implemented and you want to migrate the data from a non-SAP system to the SAP system, then we will be using this file. UDF file. Okay, so there is no dependency on the employees and this is a fight which is for the success factor. Okay. So if customer is implementing or not implementing employees, and still we can migrate the data from a legacy system to the SAP SuccessFactors system. But so generally this file is used for the bulk data. First of all, otherwise for creating some users, you can go and create the user with the help of UDF also, even for the inactivation for inactive. For making a user inactive also, you will be using this file. Okay. Got it okay. So this is one way of going and creating the record that is UDF. Second method and the fourth method, we will start when we go with the employees, and third method, that is, the provision. Let's go into the provisioning part. We don't have the access, but setting up of the provisioning, access, setting up of the provisioning, how we are going in setting up the provisioning. So had I told you earlier the process, how you are getting this user ID, that part you have already shown. You told you the process. Yes. Okay. So if I have told you, then I will directly take you into the screenshot. So just give me a moment. I will open the screenshot. So when you receive the, how you are applying for the provisioning access, that steps I am just sharing to you. Now you have a user ID, you are certified, and after that, once you get the credential from the customer, how you are applying for the provisioning access that I am showing to you. So, is my Word document visible? No. So now you can see here. There is a process how you are applying for the vertical provisioning access. So the first thing is that you should be certified. The thing is that you should get an approval me. So from the customer. So the approval mail specifies what you call all the information like your company name, company ID, data center number. Okay. The who are the approvals involved into. So all the details will be there in a table. It is a table format which will be. We will be getting a sort of approval. And that sort of approval mail. Once we are receiving and once you are having issues that I do, you are certified, then you will be logging into the SCM. Cloud operation, this one. www.scm. Cloud operation. So when you click on the same cloud operation. You can able to go and see the username and the password. So the username is nothing but the user ID and the password is the password which you already reset, the password. Okay. So that is something which we need to log in once you log in into SCM. Cloud operation. It will take you into the home page. And from there you have to fill the form and you have to upload the copy of your approval mail and your certification and you have to submit it. Once you submit it, for all the three environment, that is, development, preview and for the production, for all the three environments. We will be submitting it separately to SAP. After 5 working days we will be receiving the access confirmation from SuccessFactors, we'll be receiving a mail and once we receive an email, then in that email there will be a link will be there. Okay. And in the once you click on that link it will redirect to the login and the password and we need to mention the user ID and the password, same as you said in the password. Whichever link, it is a development link, or it is a preview link, or it is a production link. Okay. So any link which you are entering, that link you have to mention the user ID and the password. It will be redirecting to the page. Okay. Any questions here? Before going into the another step. No. Now I will just falling down. I'm just falling down. Now this is the step which, after logging into SCM. Cloud operation page. It will the home page which you are getting. Okay. This is the home page which you are getting. And this home page which you are getting. Okay. Home page which you are getting there. You have to go to the operation request. You will see request form and request status. Okay. And click on the request form. When you click on the request form, you will be getting a pop-up window and in the pop-up window you will be getting customer instant access request. You have to click on the customer instant access request. Once you click on the customer instant access request, it will take you into this particular page. Okay, it will take you into this particular page where you need to fill the request ID, the data center, the status. Okay. And then when you scroll down. Okay. When you scroll down, you will be seeing the customer name extended go live date, which you are seeing here in the form. Okay, the company ID will be there. Data center location, all the details will be there. So all the details from where you will be filling all these details will be filling all these details from the approval mail which we have received. So that approval mail will be having all the information and from there all the information will be filling here after filling when we scroll down. You find this option where we need to select to which module you are certified. So for that you need to select that particular certification, particular module which you are certified. So after selecting that module, Then the consultant's name. The consultant's name and the consultant's email address will be automatically coming. So why it is automatically coming? Because by default it is linked with your issue, as you're long been with your issues ready. So that is the reason the consultant name and the email ID will be showing. Okay. Then you have a region and the location. So region is nothing at the consultant's region and the location, where, from which location, you are working. And we need to attach the approval attachment and a copy of your certification and you have to submit it. This process. We have to do it with the 3 times separately, first for the development submitted, then again come back, fill the form. Fill all the details for the test. Another, that is previous system submitted. Then again come back, do it for the production submitted. So for all the 3 environments, you have to submit it separately, and within 4 to 5 working days you will be getting the what you call a mail communication from SAP that this has been approved and you can able to access it. Okay. Any questions here? Before going ahead. So certification is mandatory for the region. Yes, certification is mandatory. Without certification, you will not get a user ID. And without a user ID, you cannot do this formality which I'm showing you. Going into it and applying it. So right now you can go without the certification. You can practice yourself and you can after completion of the training. You can practice and you can apply for the jobs, so that you can try without your certification and you can try on the basis of your knowledge. Once the interview is converted, then what you can do strategically, you can ask your company that to provide the certification hub. So the other purchasing you from your own pocket, you can request the company to sponsor for you. If the company is sponsoring, then you can apply for the certification. That will be more easy, right? Yes. Okay. But if you are applying right now, the drawback is that you only have 6 months of added certification. So.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@upptalk.com.